meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 3 meters 20 centimeter long. Find the same time at the same time. First question, the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meters 50 centimeter high. And there is a sub question, the height of the pole which casts a shadow of 5 meters long. Suppose if this is your pole, the shadow will always cast on the ground. Since we are just thinking about the shadow cast at the same time, so the length of the shadow will vary time to time. Since we are here he has clearly mentioned at the same time we are measuring the length of the shadow. Okay. So see here we are discussing the height of the vertical pole, height of pole here, height of pole and length of shadow. There are two quantities we are speaking, which is length of shadow and height of pole. Okay. Here it is, there are two units, meter as well as centimeter. Better convert it into a single unit. So 5 meters and 60 centimeter. So 5 meters is 500 centimeter plus 60 centimeter, that is the height of the vertical pole will be 560 centimeter. Okay. Then the length of the shadow will be 3 meters 20 centimeters long. So 3 meters can be written as 300 centimeters plus 20 will be equals to 320 centimeter. So whenever you are comparing or whenever you have two units, better convert it into a single unit. Okay. So find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meters 50 centimeters long. So that is the vertical pole has 10 meters. 10 meters is nothing but 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter plus 50 centimeter will be equals to 1050 centimeter. 1050 centimeter. What is the length of the shadow? So length of the shadow we will take it as x. So let the length of shadow be x centimeter. Okay. Since as the quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase. So that means they are in direct proportion. They are in direct proportion. Okay. So that is 560 over 320 equals 1050 over x. Cross multiply to get the value of x. Okay. 560 multiplied by x equals 1050 multiplied by 320. Okay. To get the value of x, you are shifting this 560 on the other side. So it will come under division. So that is 1050 multiplied by 320 divided by 560. Last zero of the number, I'll cancel it. 2 1s, 2 6, 12. 2 2s, 4. 2 8s is 16. So 2 8s is 16. 2 1s, 2 4s. 2 4s is 8. 2 7s is 14. 7 1, 7 1. 3 remains. 7 5, 35. 7 0. So what is left out? So x will be equals to 150 multiplied by 4, which on multiplication will be 600 centimeters, or you can write it as 6 meters. Okay. Now, second part of the question. So that is, find the height of the pole which casts a shadow of 5 meters. Okay. Same thing again. Here we are speaking about height of a pole. Height of pole to the length of shadow. Length of shadow. Okay. As we have already converted it, same that I'll be copying. 560 centimeters of pole. 560 centimeter of pole will cast a shadow of 320 centimeters. Okay. Now the pole is casting a shadow of 5 meters. 5 meters is nothing but 500 centimeters. So it is casting a shadow of 500 centimeters. What is the length of the pole? Let me take the length of the pole as y. So definitely one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase. So that means they are in direct proportion. So they are in direct proportion. Okay, so that is 560 over 320 will be equals to y over 500. To get the value of y, you need to cross multiply. So that is 320 times y will be equals to 560 multiplied by 500. So y equals 560 multiplied by 500 over 320. So 0 will get cancelled. 5 tens are, sorry. So 2 ones are, 2 6 are 12, 2 twos, 2 5. So 2 eights are 16, 2 twos, 2 eights is 16, 2 zeros, 4 twos 8, 4 5, 4 6, 4 sevens 28, 0. So 2 ones, 2 35. So what is y? Y equals 35 multiplied by 25. So when you multiply 35 and 25, so your answer will be, so that is 1275. Let me check it. So that is 35 multiplied by 25. 25 5 is 125. So 25 3 is 75. 75 plus 12. So 75 plus 12 will be 787. Okay. Once again, let me multiply and check. So 35 multiplied by 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 7, that is 875. So this is 875 centimeter. So if you are converting into meter, it will be 8.75 meters, or else 8 meter and 75 centimeter. Next question. A loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? So here we are speaking distance traveled with the time. Okay, we are speaking about distance traveled and time. So distance traveled to the time. Okay, if the distance traveled is 14 kilometer, the time taken will be 25 minutes. So if you are minutes, okay, for 5 hours, so this is in minutes, the other time is in hours. So let me convert that hours into minutes. So 1 hour has 60 minutes, so 5 hours will have 300 minutes. So for 300 minutes, what is the distance traveled? So x be the distance traveled in 5 hours or 300 minutes. Let x be the distance traveled in 5 hours. Okay. So as one quantity increases, the other will also increase. They are in direct proportion. So that is 14 over 25 equals x over 300. Cross multiply to get the value of x. So that is 25 times x equals 14 times 300. So x equals 14 times 300 over 25. 25 ones, 25 ones, 5 remains, 25 twos. So okay, x equals 14 times 12. So x equals 168. That is 12 into 14 is 168. What is this 168?